to the adventure, and an adventure it's been. So I was following Brian. Brian put the coordinates we were given into Google Map, and it took us to this place, and all of a sudden it put us on a private road, and I'm like, I found this weird because Onyx, right from when we left the Lower Mainland, was telling me to go Highway 1, and Joanne and...
In 500 meters, turn left onto Highway 97C.
It's Onyx giving us the right way there. So Joanne and Brian's
Google Maps.
Google Maps.
97C.
Sorry, this thing's so distracting. Was telling me to go Highway 1. I gotta get this brakes done. And anyways, we listened to 2 versus the 1 because we're like, oh, Onyx must be crazy. But Onyx was not crazy. We ended up on a private road, which Onyx will not let you go on private roads, so that's probably why it didn't build a map that way. Now we are taking the other way. We're going the long way around, so the adventure got a little longer, but hey, it's a pretty drive.
It is a beautiful drive. And we're 20 minutes from camp.
21 minutes away, yeah. So, yeah, let's see where this ends up. See you guys in a bit.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, like I said, we're doing the fun way, right?
Well, no, it's just the way.
People come to this one.
Oh, I'm sure. I'm not aired down, so I'm just watching the wheels. Tires, I should say, not
See that feather in his cap?
Totally. Like I was just like, hey, keep looking at the time. Like, where are you guys? Right? Like,
we had it. Well, we went through Merritt and then up the highway.
yeah,
But
we went through there and then
his showed going through a private road right by the power station. And that's not right. Mine kept telling me to take number 1 all the way up. On it.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Welcome back. We got in a little bit late last night. We showed a little bit of where we are getting in here, but by the time we set up, it was dark.
Yeah, and we just sat
Campfire,
by the fire,
yeah, fire
hung
was
out with
going.
our friends. But we're at this cool little lake. I've never been here. Obviously, Joanne's never been here.
No.
But we'll take you up for a little drone flight in a little minute, and you'll be able to check it out. But in the meantime, people are starting to mosey around. So let's show you a little bit of where we're camping.
And by the way, it's still cold.
Yeah, last night was cold.
Yeah.
We didn't bring our diesel heater. I thought, oh, no chance, it's like 30 degrees. Well, I shouldn't have second guessed myself, because as I was shivering in the middle of the night, I was jealous hearing Dave's exhaust on his his diesel heater.
Yeah.
So
And all the moisture in the tent we got to deal with
Yeah.
now. But yeah, this, I'm going to turn you around, is camp. We have Brian. And we have Brent and Tanya way over there. And on this side, Dave and Lena came in. Good morning.
Oh gosh, don't film me this early.
too late.
Part of the game, part of the game.
Keep it real.
Oh man.
We got Tanya yakking last time.
Yeah. I'm going to go down to the lake a little bit
Okay.
and show you all what it's like. I think actually, to be fair, I came down last night. But morning light is different. Oh, so pretty. I got Brian being all majestic over there. We're going to head back. We are going to grab our Starbucks drinks for this morning. We chose not to make coffee because, well, as we said, we thought it was going to be a lot warmer. Lesson learned. We'll catch you in a bit.
Packed right in the back, so.
Oh, we're also going to use our new pans today to cook breakfast.
That's right.
You guys want to stick around and watch that in a bit.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that.
Let me introduce you to my little friend.
Hope these things aren't poisonous.
Of course they are.
They probably are.
How do you think they keep the mosquitoes away?
Yeah.
They kill mosquitoes, they'll probably kill you, Brian.
Excellent.
Of course, you're
Or
not.
maybe Brian will just, or sorry, maybe just Brent will just give you a swat.
I'm done with this life. I'll move on to the next.
All right, so Joanne is going to make some espresso martinis. She got the premix, but she fell in love with these. Dan and Carm made her some homemade ones, and she fell in love. So now she's going to have one with Lena. So,
All right. So thank you to Redodo. We have, look how solid this ice is. So I guess we just fill this sucker up.
you gotta give it room to shake, though. I think.
I think.
I'm talking
I don't know.
shit.
I don't know. This is brand new. Oh, let's take a smell. Whoops!
It's on my nose.
It smells good though. I mean, we might have enough to
Tanya? Well, she's got a cup. Yeah, let's go get it.
Oh, I think the ice is gonna block it. Oh, maybe not. So I guess you're supposed to shake this way.
I think you got to do it quite a bit.
Yeah, especially being a
And there
premix.
goes Brian with his toilet.
Hey, don't feel bad.
Especially being a premix, I feel like it's gonna need a lot of shaking.
Oops, I'm going up and down. Sorry, everybody. Yeah, probably because the ice isn't as fine either.
No, that's fair. It's not as graceful as Dan. Oh, we might have to do 2 rounds. Here, shake. This way. See where we're at? Oh, maybe. Oh, there's froth.
Oh, there is.
Not a ton, but there's froth. There is froth. It could be frothier. Let's see. Uh-oh. We need more.
We'll get Tanya over here shaking it.
It's definitely frothier. I'm probably need to shake it more, but
Okay, Lena.
Just bleep
Tell
out
us
that.
what you think.
Good. Taste of coffee. It's my favorite.
Joanne's doing more.
Yeah, it's perfection. That's really good.
Like it?
Take me to fancy
good.
place. That's
I would
what
say
I'm
it's
ordering.
something good in the evening.
That's fair.
Evening after a meal. It's
Well, right about now, we're in
very
needing to pick me up.
spicy dessert.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh, I hear some more shaking. Let's go back. Oh, there you go. I was like, I knew I heard shaking.
does it taste good?
Really good.
It could be frothier, but
No, it's good.
let's see. Oh,
Take a
not
look.
bad. Not bad for froth for a pre-made.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Sure takes a bit to come out, eh?
Yeah, you gotta remember, we were amazed how much,
Oh, there's some froth.
yeah, I think that's, oh, sorry guys.
Oh shit, there's a bug in there.
That's all right. Protein.
I can't get him. There he is. It's tasty. I like it, the one we had with Dan Carm, a lot better, but this is good.
Perfect. Nice. Oh, here's someone coming. That was quick.
So we are currently about to cook breakfast for dinner using our GOSO Cookware. We are going to do sausage, hash browns, and eggs. They do heat up so fast.
It's really good. No stick.
No stick. Of course, part of that comes to expert seasoning.
We were told to season. For all of us that have the nostalgic breakfast for dinner, are we not tired of McCain giving us the end pieces of a French fry as a hash brown? Remember we used to get actual hash browns? I'm just saying.
These pants are wicked.
Just gonna add some butter.
The ultimate test,
The eggs.
the eggs. And we are huge fans at, what's it called, Over Easy?
Yep. Just gonna let that cool down a tiny little bit.
And from what we've seen, one of the benefits of these pans is they're very quick to react to temperature change
Yep.
on cooking.
A little hot. Let's turn that baby down.
So originally the plan was to have breakfast for breakfast,
Yeah, which didn't happen.
which, you know,
It's kind of weird because all of us that usually eat breakfast, it just never happened.
just what, yeah, we weren't feeling it.
No.
So
Everybody just woke up in that relaxed sort of state and we just chilled out, had coffee, everything else.
So as a result, we decided to have breakfast for dinner.
Down, yeah, 100%. Gotcha, smoky. That's a nice
The
smoky.
signature Brian Smoky.
There you go.
Some jalapenos in it.
Looking good.
Nice.
Tasting good.
Look at that.
We're doing the ultimate test with the eggs on these new pans.
Good.
Right?
These pans are amazing.
There's a little resistance. All right, first time using it. Got to get the temps right? That one's absolutely fine.
They look amazing, in my opinion. Zero stickage.
Ooh. So much it doesn't even stick to the, there you go.
That's awesome.
First test, I would say, is a success.
We are successful.
Love it on them. Give her a go.
Clearly the freezer's working great. And as a, what do you call it? A maiden name Giroux, born and raised ice cream lover, we have ice cream.
Ooh, it's still hard.
They're still very solid.
Looking forward to this.
This is going to be amazing.
Let's have some ice cream.
Let's have some ice cream.
They're like, they were half the price of the truck.
Yeah, since we saw it at that show.
That one that we saw, that one was 45 grand, wasn't it?
Yeah, but that thing was like.
That was
Yeah, we're trying a new position. Right?
Well, he tried to get rid of it last year.
I know, I had that Tundra on order and everything, and
Jay's like,
Not an order, it was delivered. It was
no
delivered.
Toyota for you.
Well, guys, that's the end of another one. We're leaving a little ahead of the other guys, but packing up, we realized we never said goodbye. So we wanted to say thank you for watching, thanks for following along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, guys, get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments.